Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another video here that I will be trying a new camera to see how the first person recording is. So I've got the GoPro 7 and I'm recording also with my phone, as you can see me. I got the Bluetooth microphone, and I will be doing the test with both microphones because the GoPro has its own microphone. I think it has actually three. So let's see how this goes. This is a 2013 Prius. I will be doing the front brakes and rotor pads. All right, so let's start. I have done some testing on the GoPro itself, and the stability, no doubt about it, is great. Looks like somebody was here. Hopefully I don't get much in the way of you guys seeing. Let me adjust this camera so if one of the capture doesn't work, the other one will. Brake fluid on this car, it has only 53,000 miles, so the brake fluid is clean. So in this case, I will push the piston a little back with a screwdriver, so it's easy to get the caliper out. Now I can use the Milwaukee ratchet to get the rolls out. Put this here. Get a hook for the caliper. Very light caliper. Put that there. Make sure that the parts that I got, they come with the hardware. They do. Hopefully you guys can see that. And these are the new pads. They're just generic parts. I'd like to get these ones out here, so if possible. Okay, they're a little tight. Yeah, I can do that on the bench. And now 17 to get those bracket bolts out. Need a swivel for that. I'll be trying to combine both of the videos so we get a better experience when I'm covering the camera. You guys can see me. You're also looking at some of the parts. I move everything on my bay from that Hyundai. Then I'm doing the timing chain. I got some of the parts, not all yet. Everything in this side is clean, so try to protect a little bit from the dust. These are just the piggy mats that I have here for whenever I need it, so I can cover some of that from dust, and those are just the bolts, so I don't get to worry about that. I'm gonna adjust the height of the camera a little bit so you guys see better here. So these are the hardware that I usually remove in the car, but it was not the case with these ones. Are a little tight. For this, I'm just using a bucket screwdriver. So what I do with this, now I'll go and get the files that I use for, if I find it, I think okay, right here. I'll let Ed use it yesterday. So I just go with a file, soft. Use a flat one for both edges. You can see how it gets really dirty, and I can remove all that with that. And with the round one, I go on the flat part. I can use the, sorry guys, the other camera. That's what I wanted to cover. A lot of brake dust. And you can see that now it's nice and shiny. Also, you need to get these ones out. And if I find the rugs in here, which I have, I'm going to clean those pins and apply new brake grease. Again, this has, you know, low mileage. I'm not expecting to have any rust or anything major on the pins, but this is regular maintenance. Same thing in the other one, which is the one that has a rubber. So one thing that I recommend you to do when you're doing this, don't put grease in front of the rubber, just on the back and on it, and that should be good. With that, you will not find that pin going in and out. And I usually apply a little coat of this same grease here, so when the hardware seats, it's not gonna get rusted that quick. The hardware is stainless steel, so what is gonna get rusted is here. So any excess on this grease will be pushed away from the same hardware. Let me show one. Hopefully you guys are all seeing good. Just doing a test. So and they all have positions, so you'll see. And this is the most important part that you do on your brakes. If you take the time to do what I'm doing, your brakes will last longer. Because this is the one that makes the pads go tighter or just good, and they don't wear off faster. Alright, so that should do it. Now we can get that rotor out. This one doesn't use any ball, so let me grab the camera out to a better angle on the GoPro. Usually what I do is just hit here, or even in the rotor. Yes. All you're looking for is get it out. 100. We got new rotors, and surface is good. One second, guys. Alright, sorry for the interruption. Okay, so I'm gonna have to sync the audio again, but that's what editing is for. Alright, so I was saying that this doesn't look so bad. Still, I have these tools for that. This just attaches to the drill, 1/2 inch. I just go here. Just cleaning the surface as best you can. Make sure the new rotor is going to seat correctly, and we can leave that here for the rotors, which I don't have yet. So let's see how that goes. I can still push that caliper a little more, and usually use this tool with that. Also tap in there. So this is the dual piston, but you can always use it. Alright, that should do it. And we can leave the caliper in here for now. Again, I gotta wait for parts, so let me stop the video and wait. Alright guys, I got the parts already here, so let me get the gloves and start finishing this side, and then take you over to the other side. One thing that I'm very happy with the GoPro microphone I'm using for these for editing. I use the Final Cut Pro for Apple. I use an Apple computer to edit my videos, and I was able to remove all the noise, or most of the noise. Alright, so I can put the rotor back in here. Got the bracket clean. Yep. From garbage box. That's what I set up the boxes, so I go and throw them in the garbage. So we got this. Hopefully I'm recording. Yes, I am. Sometimes this GoPro is so small. Sometimes it's hard to know if you are or not recording. So I hope you guys like the way I'm combining the videos. I'm trying to, make it something nice. Again, I think the audio quality is really good. Can now get the pads. Yes, I'm here, just thinking on what I'm doing, and also what I will be doing, editing the videos. So this is what you need to install on the pads. They come with one each. If you see the old ones, this is the old one. They will go on the tab. This is the original pad, so they only have one. So in this case, this will be the inner pad. You have to remember always to adjust that GoPro camera, so you guys are seeing what I'm seeing too. Sometimes it's hard. All right, that's the way to go. And then I will install this one on the outside. Gotta just push these tabs to let the pad in and make sure that one fits in. But as you can see, the pad is soft in there. Make sure when you're installing the caliper back that the hose is not twisted. I have seen many guys that do their own repairs twisting that, and then they have problems breaking or with the brakes. Alright guys, this is going to be just a short video to show you how to do the brakes on a Toyota Prius, which I know most of you guys know how to do it, but I also wanted to share my new setup with the GoPro camera, and try the microphone. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot. See you next time, guys.